Hi, I'm Dr. Alexander Ash here at Studio Dental, and I want to talk to you about something that's really important. What do you do when you're missing a tooth? One option is you could do what we've been doing for over a century is by replacing the tooth with a denture. A second option is to go ahead and replace the teeth with a crown or bridge. A bridge is comprised of two crowns with a fake tooth in the middle, and we shape the two adjacent teeth and cement that bridge on. A third option, and what's become more popular in the last 20 to 30 years, is getting a dental implant. A tooth has two parts to it. The upper part of the tooth is called the crown, and the second major part of the tooth is called the root. A dental implant replaces the root of an actual tooth. What we would end up doing is placing a titanium screw into the bone. We wait for that screw to integrate into the body and become part of the body. And then we go ahead in the future and we restore the top portion of the tooth with an implant crown. If you end up losing a tooth, dental implants are a great option because one, you'll improve the quality of your life. Two, by maintaining the adjacent teeth, you'll spend less time and less money at the dentist. And three, by having all of your teeth in place, you'll be able to chew and digest your food a lot better and have a lot better quality of life.